Hey everyone, Happy KO here, Laurence. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous to be on camera. Gosh, this is embarrassing. This is going to be a part 2 of the last video we did with Pro Tools doing a weird time signature change in the middle of the song. We got a comment on the last video explaining how to fix this. The comment was from a guy named Phil Beaudreau. If you haven't listened to Phil Beaudreau's music, I highly recommend that. I'll put that in the description below as well. Definitely click on that because it's good stuff. That being said, Phil Beaudreau he's not the greatest technical type of guy, and he's not even the greatest musician in my opinion, but I don't really know about his information. He's not very good on Pro Tools as far as I know.
It worked.
What?
It worked.
It worked?
Yeah, it worked.
It fixed the time signature?
Mm-hmm. It worked.
How did it work?
So you just go here to expand the view of the universal controls, I guess, and then just make it so you can see the meter. And then you can see all of our little tempo changes popping up.
So that's where those little 6/8 on that blue line is where it changed the tempo on us. He said to just delete it, but what if you try just dragging it over like this yellow one here? Will that work? Or do you, yeah. Okay, never mind.
You can't drag anything there.
All right, let's try deleting it. Okay, well, at least that's gone.
It says default 4/4.
So now we'll change the time signature again.
At the beginning of the song to 6/8. Yep.
Son of a bitch. All right, well, I guess that's it from Happy KO.